Welcome to Tech Travelers Hub. Today I am going to show you Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus Indian variant, purple color phone. This is the back side of the phone. It looks really nice. Redmi. The display size is 6.67 inch 3D curved AMOLED display, resolution 1.5K, 2712 into 1220 pixel density 446 ppi, screen to body ratio 93.35%, refresh rate 120 Hz, adaptive seeing display 30 Hz to 120 Hz, 4 levels. Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, Widevine L1, touch sampling rate 240 Hz. Our phone color is fusion purple, 3D curved front, curved glass back, length 161.4 mm, wide 74.2 mm, thickness 8.9 mm, fusion purple. Rear camera, there are 3 camera, 200 megapixel ultra high resolution camera, Samsung ISOCELL HP3 sensor. The front camera is 16 megapixel selfie camera. Processor MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra 4 nanometer processor technology. CPU up to 2.8 GHz. ARM G610 MC4. Battery and charging 120 watt hypercharge supported, USB Type C, 5000 mAh battery. We have tested the camera indoor. The photo quality is really good. Water and dust resistance, IP68 dustproof and waterproof, NFC available. Sensor, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, accelerometer, e-compass, gyroscope, etc. This is a nice phone. I think in this budget you will get all in one in the package, and the phone looks also good. One thing is that the camera bump is height, then you need a cover, otherwise it will not set in the back. Okay, the picture quality is good. I have tested 20 megapixel, 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel portrait and front camera. All are good. I think it will be better if you bought the international global version. Okay, the phone color is really good, and the display quality is also good. AMOLED display, curved display. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.